Here at Steve's Auto, we do offer a walnut treatment. It is a service that we use to help clean the intake valves and the cylinder head, most commonly on BMWs and Mini Coopers. So what the walnut blasting is going to include is removing the intake manifold, and we will spray the crushed walnut shells directly into the intake valves, the stem, and the cylinder head area. The fine dust from the walnut shells is going to break up the carbon deposits, which is unburnt fuel, and also oil that has hardened on the surfaces of the intake valves, the stems, and the cylinder head. Once these deposits are broken up, there may be a noticeable increase in some power, but most importantly, the fuel economy. Will help the engine breathe better in and out, it'll raise the fuel economy, and also lower the emissions for the vehicle.